Did you know that one of the oldest hiccup cures involves being startled? This quirky remedy dates back to ancient Greece. It's believed that a sudden shock can disrupt your breathing pattern and, voila, those pesky hiccups might just disappear. But that's not all. Some people swear by drinking water upside down or swallowing a spoonful of sugar. The science behind it? Well, it's still somewhat mysterious. Hiccups are caused by involuntary contractions of the diaphragm, but who knew startling yourself could be a solution? So next time you get hiccups at dinner, don't panic. Just ask someone to give you a surprise.